Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ShipBob account for 3PL inventory and shipping, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing your ShipBob account, first, visit the ShipBob website. Look for the sign up button, typically located on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a secure password for your account. After filling in your email and password, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Check your inbox for the email from ShipBob and click the verification link. Once verified, return to the ShipBob website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the ShipBob dashboard. Next, you will need to enter your business information. Fill in your business name and select your business type from the drop-down menu. Provide your phone number and business address as requested. Once all fields are completed, click Continue. You will now be asked about your shipping needs. Select the shipping options that best fit your business model. After configuring shipping preferences, click Continue again. You may be prompted to integrate your sales channels. Connect any e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce if applicable. Now, you need to set up your inventory. Navigate to the Inventory section in your dashboard. Click on the Add Products button to start the product upload process. Enter product details such as SKU, name, and description. Specify the quantity of each product you are shipping to ShipBob. Upload any necessary product images to accompany your listing. Review all information before submitting it. Once satisfied, click Save to complete the product setup. After adding products, set up your fulfillment settings. Select your preferred fulfillment methods from the options provided. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.